Bonjour à tous! Welcome to French with Love. I'm Benjamin. Today we will work on the French pronunciation together. As you may know, my wife and I have created a brand new method to teach you French. Starting from zero and going step by step, we will show you that learning French can be easy and fun. We already created video and book series that you can get on our website. We teach French by telling you a story. In this story, we use the most frequently used French words, and in each chapter we teach you a grammar topic that will help you to understand the French language. Today's video will complement our courses. In this video and in our pronunciation video series, I will teach you how to pronounce French words thanks to a beautiful French sentence. There will be quotes by famous people and from movies and books. But first, in French, to feel confident from day one, you have to know how to pronounce the French words. I know you think that French has many letter combinations that sound different and it will take a long time to master them. With my wife, we wrote a book specially on this topic. And in this book, we explain all the rules that you need to know to better pronounce French words. I will put a link on the description so you can get this book easily. After reading that book, whenever you see a French word that you have never seen before, thanks to our book, you will be able to pronounce it correctly. But here is another point. What if you have already seen that word? Yes, as you know, generally speaking, a word has only one pronunciation. So when you learn a new word and its pronunciation, you're done. You will pronounce it correctly for the rest of your life. With the beautiful quotes that we will share with you today and in the future, you will learn a lot of new French words. And the more you will watch us, the more you will notice that some words that you have learned before come back. And without realizing, you will make progress and improve your French tremendously. When you enter the world of French with Love, you will no longer be alone in learning French. I know how difficult it could be to learn a new language. Look, I speak English. But if you divide the work and study chapter by chapter, it will be much easier for you. Going step by step with a goal, and with our help, learning French will be as easy as ABC. Simple comme bonjour. So, today we will work on the French pronunciation only. We won't talk about grammar or how to construct a sentence. All I want from you is to remember the spelling of the words and their pronunciations. It won't be easy at the beginning because we are starting from the end. Maybe you don't know a word in French at the moment. Yet, at the end of this video, you will be able to say a beautiful sentence in French and you will pronounce it correctly. If you are ready, let's find out our first sentence. It's from Socrates. It means, all I know is that I know nothing. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je ne sais rien. If you are ready, let's find out our first sentence. It's from Socrates. It means, all I know is that I know nothing. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je ne sais rien. Okay, so the rules of this game are quite easy. You just need to repeat after me. We will go word by word, so let's begin with the first one. Tout. Whenever you see this word, you need to pronounce it as tout. For your information, in the letters O and U are next to each other, we pronounce them as OU. It is what we call a letter combination, and you can find all the details in our book. If you already know some French words, you might say, but wait a minute, Benjamin, if these words end with the letter E, then the pronunciation changes. Yes, you are right, but it means that it's another word, and it is pronounced as tout. But in today's sentence is not the case. So please just focus on today's word and try to pronounce it like me. Tout. Hey, that's a good start. Let's move on. The second word is ce. This short word has a special function, but we will not talk about today. If you are one of our VIP members, write to us and we will be happy to talk to you about this topic. But today, we will just focus on its pronunciation. So, whenever you see this word, pronounce it like this. Ce is not si, is not j'ai, it's ce. Tout ce. The third word is a very popular word in French. It's a short one, but you will see it everywhere. It has many functions, but again, we will not talk about them today. Just focus on its pronunciation, that never change. So repeat after me. Que. Once again. Que. See, we are already in the fourth word. If you have seen our first episode, you already know this word. It's je, which means I. Repeat after me. Je. Je. I guess you are doing right. One more time, let's repeat from the beginning. Tout ce que je. Now it's time for a verb. It's c'est. It's the conjugated form of the verb savoir, which means to know. In French, the combination of a and I sounds like a. Once again, I invite you to watch the video that we prepare on this topic or read our book. Also, be careful that the S at the end of the word is not pronounced, so it's silent. Ces or sais is not correct. The only correct pronunciation of this word is c'est. Let's repeat from the beginning. Tout ce que je sais. Tout ce que je sais. Hey, it's already the end of the first part of today's sentence. Let's move on to the second part. You will see that we will go faster. The next word is c'est, and you need to pronounce it like this. C'est. We don't pronounce the T at the end. C'est is the equivalent of it's in English. It's the combination of two words, se and the present tense conjugation of the verb être, est. To learn more about the verb être, which means to be, I invite you to watch or rewatch our first episode. And also, as I presume that you noticed, c'est and c'est are pronounced the same, but their spelling is different. It's what we call homophone. Same sound, different spelling. We will talk about it again in future video. Stay tuned. Let's repeat from the beginning. Tout ce que je sais, c'est. Tout ce que je sais, c'est. And here we are again. We have already seen the words que and je. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je. One again, slowly. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je. The following word is a short one, yet very important one. Whenever you see it, pronounce it as ne. Ne shows us that the sentence is negative. Negative sentence in French is a complex topic. We will not give details here, but in our books and videos, we have a whole chapter about the construction of negative sentences in French. You can visit our website for more details. The next word is again a word that we have already seen, c'est. So let's repeat the sentence from the beginning. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je ne sais. Once again. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je ne sais. And here is the last word. Maybe the hardest one to pronounce. This word is rien. It means nothing. I'm aware that the R letter in French is hard to pronounce, le R. But try to repeat after me. Rien. There are also the combination of I-E-N, I-E-N en français. That sounds like yen, which can also be difficult for you to pronounce, especially if you just begin. But let's do it. Yen, rien. Let's try again. Rien. Your turn. Rien. That's good. I know it can be difficult at the beginning, but be confident. Look at me. I know that my accent in English is not perfect, but I try to speak English to deliver this content directly to you. And also, it doesn't matter if you have an accent when you speak French. Even some French people have an accent. So just keep practicing. And if you need any help, you are always welcome in French with Love words. And now let's repeat today's sentence one more time. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je ne sais rien. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que je ne sais rien. And we're done! You have just finished our first video of French pronunciation. I hope you like it! We'll be very happy if you don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll post more and more videos about the French language, so not to miss them and to get notification from us, don't forget to click the notification bell as well. We have already finished the first season of French with Love. In the first season, we will teach you all the foundation of the French language. You can become our VIP member and get instant access to all of our videos and ebooks. For more details, please visit our website. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Right now, with my wife, we are actively working on Season 2. So keep following us, we have a lot to share. And I want to remind you that learning a new language is just a key to open a door to a new world. Think about the new books you will read in French, the movies or the series you will watch without subtitles, and even the new people you will follow or meet. It all begins with learning French. But to learn a language, you need first discipline and the right method. And as you know, when you work with love, you can only succeed. I'm Benjamin, and till the next video, stay with love.